What you see here is a fully functioning SwiftUI dating application created using Stream Swift skills and its 4 products: chat messaging, video calling, moderation, and activity feeds. You can pick any of these users to get started. Once you launch the app, you have all the features in an actual dating application. You can, for example, swipe upward to save to favorite. I will keep swiping. You can swipe to left to dislike and swipe right to like. With that, you get a beautiful matching animation in SwiftUI. I will swipe upward again to save to my favorites. You also get animation for that. So we use the stream skills to integrate activity feeds. These are all the content in your feed. You have push notifications also. You can even write a post that lasts only 24 hours. You can search for people. Using the Stream Swift skills, we also implement real-time chat messaging, so you can pick any of the users and start chatting with. You can react to messages. The same skills was also used to implement audio and video calling. From the top right, you can tap the audio call or the video call button to start real-time conversation. So to create this dating app in SwiftUI, all you need to do is to use the Stream skills. Stream has several skills for his products. However, we need to install only 2 skills. We have the Stream CLI skills for authentication, token, and user generation for the demo. You also need to install the Stream Swift skills, allowing you to tap into the iOS SDK of Stream to build chat messaging, video calling, and feeds application for iOS. If you want manual installation, you can go to the skills repo. So you clone this repo and add the skills you prefer to your project. You have noticed we have several skills for React Native, Flutter, and Android as well. However, we need only the Swift skills. So once you install these 2 skills, you teach your coding agent how to build apps using Stream products. So I will launch Cursor. Over here, I have already added a prompt to build the dating application for SwiftUI. You have noticed here I have already added the Swift skills as well as the CLI skills. Over here, I described what I want to build, a dating app using the Stream CLI skills as well as the Swift skills. So the agent went ahead to generate all these Swift files and folders for the project. So these are all the various screens you saw previously. In the app demo, we have Discover, Feed, Search, and more. If I launch the Xcode project, you have noticed over here under package dependencies, the agent went ahead to add all these project dependencies. We have the core chat SDK for Stream, as well as the SwiftUI chat SDK. We have Stream feeds, and for the video calling feature, we have Stream video, powered by WebRTC. So these are all the generated files I showed you previously in Cursor. Using the Swift skills, we don't need to configure any of these files to work with the SwiftUI app using the Stream chat and video SDKs. If I select the root directory, the agent will also set up all privacies for you when you use the skills. So under the Info tab, we have privacy for camera usage description. We have another privacy for photo library usage description, as well as microphone usage description. So all these 3 privacies were set up automatically by the coding agent. That is Opus 4.8 in Cursor. Let's go to the toolbar and run it on my iPhone. Over here, you have seen Amos iPhone is selected, so I'll run the application. With that, we have our fully functioning SwiftUI dating application. We have all the swipe interactions, similar to Tinder. You can send messages directly in the app, as well as having audio and video calls.